Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Log In. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Bremer Bank. If you've recently opened an account on Bremer Bank and you'd like to log into your account, access your account information, check your deposits, send and receive payments, then you can do it in a few simple steps. Watch the video till the end in order to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Open up a web browser first. In the address field at the top, type in www.bremer.com and search. You'll end up in the home page of Bremer Bank, which looks like this. If you already have an account, you can click on this login drop down in the upper right hand and log into your account by choosing your account type from the drop down and clicking on login. If you've not enrolled into online banking yet and you'd like to do so, click on this enroll in online banking link. Soon after you do that, you can select whether you'd like to enroll in personal online banking or business online banking. Click on your choice. On the next page, follow the instructions. Now, you can choose an appropriate account type according to your need and click on the circle right next to it in order to select it. If you'd like to enroll using a certificate of deposit, then click on this circle. Click on I have read and agree to the terms of online banking agreement and disclosure box and click continue at the bottom. On the next page, fill in your online banking enrollment form. Type in the first name right next to the first name tab. Now, type in your last name on the next. You'll need to type in the last 4 digits of your social security number in the text field. If you'd like to double check, click on this little eye icon to reveal the numbers. Confirm your last 4 digits by typing it again on the next field. Confirm your email address by typing it again. Now type in your zip code. Right where it says account number, type in your account number that your bank has provided to you while you opened up your bank account. Mention your end balance on your last statement for this account. Finally, click on continue. Then after you click on continue, you'll be taken to a next page. Simply follow the on-screen prompts in order to enroll for online banking for Bremer Bank. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.